In this video, I'm going to discuss about the differences between manufacturing industries and service industries. Manufacturing industries and service industries are two distinct types of economic activities with their unique characteristics. The primary difference between these industries lies in the nature of the product or service they offer, as well as the type of labor and resources required to produce them. Now let's discuss about the main differences between manufacturing and service industries. Tangibility of product. Manufacturing industries produce tangible products such as cars, electronics, and furniture. On the other hand, service industries produce intangible products such as education, healthcare, and transportation. Nature of labor. In manufacturing industries, the labor force is mainly composed of skilled laborers and engineers who operate and maintain machinery and assembly lines. On the other hand, service industries rely more on human capital with a greater emphasis on interpersonal skills, problem solving, and customer service. Production process. Manufacturing industries have a standardized and linear production process with a clear set of inputs and outputs. Service industries, on the other hand, have a more fluid and dynamic production process with a high degree of variability in customer demands and preferences. Capital intensity. Manufacturing industries require a significant amount of capital investment in machinery, equipment, and raw materials. On the other hand, service industries are less capital intensive, relying more on knowledge and expertise. Supply chain. Manufacturing industries have complex supply chains with multiple suppliers and distributors involved in the production process. Service industries, on the other hand, have a shorter supply chains with a direct link between the service provider and the customer. Quality control. Manufacturing industries have rigorous quality control standards with inspections and tests at each stage of production process. Service industries rely more on feedback and customer satisfaction surveys to ensure quality. Environmental impact. Manufacturing industries have a significant environmental impact due to their use of natural resources and production of waste and emissions. Service industries have a lower environmental impact, although they still have to manage their energy consumption and waste. Differences between products and services. Tangibility. Products are tangible, physical items that customers can touch and hold, while services are intangible and non physical. Simultaneity. This means services are produced and consumed at the same time. While the products are manufactured first, then they will be consumed. Perishability. Products can be stored and kept for a long time, while services are perishable and cannot be stored or saved for later. Variability. Services are inherently variable due to the involvement of human beings in the delivery. Since services are delivered by people, there is a higher chance of variation in the quality of services produced. Production. Products are manufactured or produced in factories, while services are delivered by people, often in real time. Standardization. Products are typically standardized with the same specification and quality across multiple units. Services, on the other hand, are often customized and tailored to meet the specific needs of individual customers. Ownership. Products are owned by the customer once they purchase them, while services are not owned but rather experienced by the customer. Pricing. Products are priced based on their production cost, while services are priced based on the value they provide to the customer. Marketing. Products are marketed through traditional channels such as print and digital media, while services are often marketed through word of mouth, recommendations, and referrals. Quality control. Products can be inspected and tested for quality control, while services are often evaluated based on customer feedback and satisfaction. Now let's discuss about the differences between products and services when it comes to management accounting. Cost structures. Products and services have different cost structures that affect their management accounting. Products have more straightforward cost structure with costs associated with raw material, labor, and overhead. On the other hand, services often have more complex cost structures that includes factors such as labor cost, indirect costs, and overhead costs. Inventory management. Products are typically sold from inventory. So, inventory management is a crucial aspect of management accounting for products. Services, on the other hand, are not sold from inventory. So, inventory management is not relevant. However, service businesses needs to manage capacity and ensure that they have the necessary resources to deliver services to the customers. Revenue recognition. Products and services have different revenue recognition methods. For products, revenue is recognized at the point of sales, while for the services, revenue is recognized over the period in which the service is delivered. Cost of goods sold. Products have a cost of goods sold account that represents the cost of producing or purchasing products for sale. Services do not have this account, as the cost of delivering services is recorded as an expense. Labor costs are a significant component of the cost structure for both products and services. However, labor costs are often more complex for services, as they include not only direct labor costs but also indirect labor costs such as training and development, employee benefits, and payroll taxes. Cost allocation. Cost allocation is a key aspect of management accounting for both products and services. However, cost allocation is more complex for services as it involves allocating indirect costs such as overhead expenses and labor costs to specific services. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.